right after our independence, the leaders of both the country, India and China, had a great friendship because of cultural similarities and anti-colonial sentiments which they had together. However, in 1950s, India recognized and had diplomatic relations with China, started its diplomatic relations with Public Republic of China. We later on signed the Panchsheel agreement with them, which was about not interfering in others' internal matters and living there and residing peacefully. But later on the topic of Tibet border dispute, which later on turned into 1962 Sino-Indian War, which we lost. But after war, the sentiments of our nation was hurt. So almost the diplomatic and economical relations with China were at its break, and mostly none of the relations were working on that time. But in 1980s and 90s, both the countries took initiatives from themselves to turn the relations on the better side and work towards it. Also in 1988, Rajiv Gandhi, the Prime Minister of India, visited China to improve its relations with them. And if we talk about border disputes with China, we can classify it in three sectors. The western sector, which has the Aksai Chin, which can be considered as a failure of British colonial border consideration, due to which they made two lines called as Johnson Line and McDonald Line, in which India follows the Johnson Line, which consider Aksai Chin as part of India as its integral part, and China follows the McDonald Line, which makes Aksai Chin as its part, but in current scenario, we follow the LAC, which divides the region of Aksai Chin from current Indian region. If we talk about the mid sector, it is a region of it's a region between Nepal and Bhutan, where both India and China are having certain disputes with border territory. If we talk about the western sector, eastern sector, it is about Arunachal Pradesh and Bhutan related regions, where also China is claiming its region, but actually it's an integral part of India. Other than this, we are also facing multiple challenges from China, such as the Doklam standoff, the Galwan Valley standoff, the String of Pearls, the Border Road Initiative, which is along with Pakistan, and the Pakistan Nexus of China. To tackle this, we need to follow the path of diplomacy.